This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to use Preview on a Mac to convert images. So I'm right here, I just have this folder of images that I'm using. I've just got some JPEGs and some PNGs in here. Now, to actually use Preview, it's super simple. We're literally just going to double click, and by default on a Mac, that will open, as you can see, in Preview. So we are now in Preview on the Mac. There's a lot that we can do. So this is a PNG from one of my websites, and for the purposes of this video, I want to convert this into any number of image formats. So what we can do is we can come up to File at the top, and like I say, Preview is pretty powerful. We can actually export to a PDF directly from here, or just above there near the bottom we have this export option, which I'm hovering over right now, and we can click on export. And now where we see format, this is a PNG, so it's recognized this as a PNG, but then when we click on PNG, we have a whole bunch of options. We can turn it into an HEIC, which is the kind of weird image native format on the iPhone. You'll often see that when you take a photo with your iPhone, it's often in this format, and you might want to change it to JPEG. You can actually do that here from Preview, by the way, so that's another use case. But for this PNG, we might want to turn it into a JPEG, we might want to turn it into a PDF, or even a TIFF file. So for the purposes of this video, I'll turn it into a JPEG, but just bear in mind you have got these other options. Now, quality-wise, we can scroll from least to best, so in general you want to go with best quality. File size is quite big, as it's a big image. Now for where to actually store the file, where to save the file, I'm just going to put it into the desktop so that it's easy for me to show, and we will click on save. And just like that, I can see it now, it's already on my desktop. I'll just open up another window so I can show it here on this video. So we are here in the desktop now, and here is the JPEG. As you can see, JPEG image, it's 5.8 megabytes, quite a big image. That was the one that I just converted. So we went from PNG, as you can see at the top here, and then when I double click this one, it will open again in as a JPEG in Preview. So you see, we had the JPEG originally, and now we have the we had the PNG originally, now we've got the JPEG. So super efficient way to actually convert your images. You can do it with, like I say, any image format, pretty much any image format. You will just literally come up once you're in Preview and you have an image open, you can go File, you can convert, export straight away as a PDF, which will export there and actually convert it, or you've got all of these other options right here as we discussed. So hopefully you found this video on how to convert images using Preview on a Mac useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.